Hello everyone. So in this particular video I'll be talking about setting up different users in QuickBooks. So we are using Desktop Pro version, and in Desktop Pro version we can set up to 5 users. So let me show you how we can set up different users and their roles and access to our information, actual access to our QuickBooks information. So to do that, what you have to do, you have to go to Company tab and click on Users, set up users and roles. So they're asking for a password. This is actually administrative password, so which we have set up earlier. So I'm putting my password. So here is the thing. We have a role list here and user list here. So admin has access to everything, but let's set up a new user. But if you want to add anything, for example, you want to change your password, admin password, in that case you can actually edit and change the password. Okay, and here you have a challenge question, so that if you forget your password, so that you can recover. I recommend to do it, but I'm not doing it right at this moment. I'm showing you how to add one user. So let's click new and let's set up a user. For example, the name of the user is Rajiv. Password, it is optional but always recommended. Let's put something as password. Now you have to set up the role for Rajiv. So what do you want him to do? For example, accounts payable, accounts receivable, or banking, external accountant, finance, and you can go down, full access, only inventory, payroll manager, or view only. View only is very interesting. For example, if I give access, view only access to Rajiv, he can actually pull out data and see the reports, but he cannot actually access or make any edit in any of the QuickBooks. He cannot make journal entries, he cannot post invoice or anything. He will have only view access only. So based on the role, for example, we are giving him for example, as an accountant. So just add him and click OK. Now you see we have two users. One is admin and another one is Rajiv. So in the role list you can actually edit a role and you can actually work it on, but I'm not showing it because this is complicated, and you have some pre-filled roles. But if you want to set up a new role, and in that case you can actually click work here and find out a new role for a new employee or a new user. So that's how we can close. Now go to file, close company, or log off. So let me open, and in that case I want to open as Rajiv. Yes, I logged on as Rajiv now. So when I was an admin, I had full access, but when I'm logged in as Rajiv, I have access as an accountant. So I can only do the bookkeeping part of it. And if you see the accountant's role, you can actually modify. And let's go to company, users, set up users. Oh, he doesn't have access because only an admin can set up the user for another user. So if I want to set up a new user, I have to log in as an admin. So just remember this, as an admin you have the full access, but when you are an accountant only, or you are accounts payable employee or accounts receivable employee, you do not have access to create another user. Or basically, apart from your role, you cannot do anything else in QuickBooks. So this is actually required when you are working in a large corporation and you want to specify the job of a particular employee. In that case, this is really important. So I think now you know how to set up a user in QuickBooks. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch my next video for making chart of accounts. Thank you.